We got a Dover Impulse here. And some carpet, so we got to step around the carpet. Got the older key switches. This might be a WCR. Actually, I think this is. It's got the bumper too. That is not a Dover chime. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a WCR. This will probably be relay. It's got the old micro switches. That one doesn't. All right, let's see. New or old? I think it's, yeah, it's new. It's a very old DMC, but it is one of the newer ones. Back down to one. Yeah, these buttons, they got the micro switches put into them. That is not a Dover chime. This is, it said the name of the building on here somewhere. I'll have to see. Just your basic Dover elevator. Your phone now, I won't open that. There's some carpeting. This is the Paul-Helen building, that's what it's called, Paul-Helen building. Anyway, that will be it.